before I show you today's video, I just want to share life with a 5-year-old. He came upstairs unattended, and his playroom is right next door, so usually, you know, he comes in here, or comes upstairs, and it's all good. And but yesterday he came up here and he came into my art room office, and I had some really pretty skins under here from my fire and ice pour, and now there's some purple and some green, and to be quite honest with you, I am not 100% sure where that paint came from. I'm looking for an open container of paint somewhere, and I don't see it, so I'm a little scared. Just thought I'd share. Oh God, help. Hey guys, it's Angela. I'm gonna try to do that same super lacy painting like I did the other day with my leftover pearl paints. Well, sort of leftover pearl paints, a couple of them. But this time I'm going to try to pour over with black instead of white. And I want to see if the Amsterdam Black reacts the same way that the Amsterdam Titanium White does. Since I used the yellow in the blue piece, it really just turned out turquoise. I mixed up some Liquitex cadmium yellow hue, and I added a little bit of Color Shift, which I forget who makes Color Shift.
Oh, hi, Mama.
Oh, hi, Charlie.
Hi.
We are spending some time upstairs this morning because we are responsible adults and our oil ran out. So we have electric heat upstairs, and it's warmer up here. So my son's playroom is just the room right next door, and so he's watching TV over there. My husband's downstairs. So we are not neglecting our child, just in case anyone was curious. Okay, so this is only a 9x12 canvas, so I don't have a whole lot of paint underneath here, which is why I'm just kind of dumping these cups upside down here. Just a little more fall out. Still don't have any gloves, so this is going to be kind of messy. There, done. Just kidding. I'm going to put a little bit of black down first, so I can kind of double check the consistency of my black too. And I think I want it a little bit thinner. Alright, so I'm gonna kind of travel this a little bit. Here goes nothing. So this is really cool. I do like how I got a little more color than the white one. I definitely didn't pour it over as cleanly as I did with the white version, so I think that's why I'm getting kind of a delineation of, you know, chunks of cells here, and you know, this didn't really get covered here, but there are still some cells popping up here. So I'm gonna let this sit and come back and look at it and hopefully be pleasantly surprised, because if I stay here I'm gonna just sit here and keep trying to torch it, and I don't want to keep torching it. But wow. Wow, guys. So yeah, come back after a little bit and show you what it's done. Hey guys, this is a couple hours later. Just kind of wanted to give you a quick little update. Yeah, it changed a little bit more, I think. I'll have to go back and look at the video for sure, but I feel like these really bloomed a bit. Guys, this is dry now, and this is so cool. I really like it. Like I'm pretty sure I mentioned before, I think because I didn't dump the black all over everything, that's why we got cells over here, but we did not get as many cells over here. Not mad at it though. I think it came out really fun. Just taking a quick close up. They kept a lot of the colors, like separation, which I think is really fun. And this reminds me of, I'm going to show my age here, but and maybe only a few of you are going to remember this, but that old Atari game, Asteroid. This probably reminds me of like an asteroid from that game. Just that weird oddball shape. That's, yeah. That's what that reminds me of. But yeah, you can still see sort of that orange and a little bit of the red poking through. Of course, there was always going to be a lot more yellow because I had a lot more yellow in there. But overall, so excited about this. I cannot wait to play with this a little bit more. And if I can keep my son out of these skins, that's going to be so fun to make skins out of. So here's hoping. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys.